MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil and TireRack.com.
Believe it or not, the two cars behind me are the same year, make, and model. The one over here is a Concourse Original 99-point car. It has all the original drive components, options, and it drives exactly like a car from 1955. The one on my left here is a Resto mod. A Resto mod is the best of the looks of an old car, but all the modern technology in it. At my shop, we always get the guy that comes in who's been successful, he's grown up, and he wants that classic car he wanted in high school. But he gets it and just finds out that it doesn't drive like his brand new BMW or his Audi. The good thing is that the aftermarket world has us covered. There are tons of options aftermarket to make your car drive like a modern muscle machine. The first thing we like to start with is something like this. This is a EFI system, electronic fuel injection. If you've ever driven a carbureted motor, you know they can be finicky. They require tweaking and jetting and rebuilds to keep them optimized. This has jets all around the inside of these openings. It looks just like an original carburetor. You can get it in any color you want, and it is power on the fly, power on demand. As soon as you hit that gas pedal, it drives fuel down inside here, shoves it down the throat of your engine so you can keep driving. Now, once you have all that power going to the wheels, you're going to need to be more stable. So you're going to have to upgrade the suspension to something like a tubular suspension, maybe even a 4-link in the rear, or go all out and do coilover suspensions. This is going to allow you to stay planted on the road and stable in turns. But if you have bias ply tires like this on a 4-link, it doesn't matter what kind of power you have. So you want to upgrade the wheels and tires to a modern compound tire that's going to keep you on the road and out of the ditches. But once you're driving well and you look good, you sound good, you want to feel good too. So inside the cab, you want to do a vintage air system or a complete overhaul of the AC heat system so that you can stay comfortable inside while you're cruising. Pick the products that fit your wants and needs, and you'll be riding in style. Any questions or comments, hit us up right here at MotorWeek.